Yeah. It's the best feeling, bro, when you have set your trade, you do your live, and then you open up like, oh my God, I'm 100 pips in profit. Let's go.
Yeah. All right, let's get into this. Let's start. So, I've missed Zoom actually. It's nice. Then Frederick, you can also draw my chart, right?
Oh yes, I can. Now I can go back to that. Nice.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. Guys, let's do this. Remember the gold trade we spoke on in during New York session. So it did what I suspected it was going to do. I told you I'm very convinced that it's going to bounce down, but it might actually sweep first because it's a little bit too obvious. Like this whole drop is here is too obvious. Everybody's going to sell. So you need to liquidate some of these people. This is too juicy for the market makers to let go. So I marked out this during the live session. The only thing is now that, wait, I'll just remove some of these things so we don't have a lot of text in the way. Okay, so the only thing is this here is a 4-hourly order block, the blue one, and the gray in the background is a 4-hourly fair value gap. You can put it like this so you guys see it better. Okay. And I called out the entry here, but I'm starting to hesitate. The candle formations is like, it's really trying to push up, but it's getting more and more exhausted with it if you go into the lower time frames. The only thing why I haven't called it out is because of the volume. It's Monday evening, it's 8 o'clock. We got a couple of hours left on New York, I guess. That's it. So what I'm doing and what I've already done and what I would recommend you to do is I'm scaling in. I've started here, so I started to scale in from here, basically beginning of this fair value gap, and scaled in with a quarter. I was scaling with 2 quarters on in the middle of the fair value gap and the last quarter at the end of this fair value gap. All right. I will send out the chart and trade ideas, but basically the first position is already scaled in. I took it already now. Take it, and the other positions, I don't think we will take them before tomorrow. Maybe if some of you guys are night owls and like to be up late, but I don't think so because I always see you in the mornings on the New York session, London session. So we'll see. Anyways, stop loss will be at 56. 1956. You can put it even at 1956 400. I did so 1956 400. Why? Because even numbers, especially on gold, is market sometimes breaks it with a couple of pips just because they know that a lot of people enter there or put the stop loss there. A lot of people are lazy and they put in just on even numbers. So I never put my stop loss. If you have noticed, it's like almost never I put them on an even number. And that's that for gold. What we're targeting of course, let's see here, I'll do like this so we get a bigger chart. We are targeting, this fair value gap here. So we are targeting about 1908, 1910. I might put the take profit at 1910 just because. We'll see. That we will see tomorrow. But there's a big chance that it comes here and it sweeps most of this fair value gap because this order block here is very, very sexy for the market. And that's it. After that, it's like I said, we have a 1,900 pip run to these tops here. So this here is just the setup for this setup. This is what we're waiting for, what we actually are waiting for. And this is Frederick's territory. This is swing trade. So that will be that. But it's a very nice one. And Let's catch it. Let's catch it. This, like I said, this is like we said on the live stream. This one trade will get you funded. Like you can open a new funded account. If this trade goes in, boom, you're funded.
Give me a sec. Yeah, bro. I like this trade.
Nice.
Because this is the golden zone on the swing field.
Yeah, I know, and I knew that you would like it because because I know a little bit about your swing trading strategy, of course. So
yes,
I know what you're looking for.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where did you mark out the golden zone?
Here. This is the 0.71 and 0.79. Here's the top. Here's the bottom.
Perfect. So that's for gold. So we're sitting there, we're scaling in on this sell now, and to prep up for this massive buy here. And this buy will also be that will be a massive scale in. With that said, let's jump to EURUSD, and here Frederick will help me out a little bit. Frederick, you called out a nice trade today on this one.
Yes.
I think it actually was this entry that I marked out here, because I remember that. Yeah, exactly. Because I think it was Liz that gave me the numbers today on the live.
So yeah, what we just did, like, can you scale your screen? There we go. So what do we have here, guys? For those of you who've been trading a while now, we have the flag pattern here. And this is a breakout pattern. That means we want to see price go like it does now, and then we want it to break to continue. On top of that, we have a change of character here on 4 hourly. If you drop into the higher time frame, this is the big change of characters. We have 2 confirmations that we're going to the upside. And the reason why we took this trade, I'm just going to clean up, was because it took out liquidity on this one, and I think I marked up this one. So here was money, so that's taken out. Price went back up and came back down and took up the smaller time frame, and that's how we found our entry. And we're aiming for these highs, but then we want to see like go up and then continue. So we're gonna have some re-entries probably here on this area, and that is good for us. So I'm seeing this order block right here as a good re-entry position for every one of us when it breaks like it had done now.
Nice. I might re-enter in that one as well. I'm gonna be honest, when we were live today with Shkar also, we were looking at it and we were very bearish on the chart, on the bigger perspective also. We said it might tap up a little bit, but it looks like it wants to break down. But in the same time, I'm okay. Shkar, he's very into EURUSD, but he wasn't like super convinced of it. He was like, this can go any direction right now. But I know one thing, and that is that you have a much better understanding of the bigger perspective right now than me. So I trust your judgment on this one, and we will talk to Shkar in about 45 minutes, and we will see if he's still bearish.
Yeah. So if you're dropping, just zoom so we see long way back to the left, please. So we have so much. You see, we have so much money here. Yeah, here we go. Like here, all these places are money. And it broke. Continue now up, so we can also see it go down here, but we are confirming the option because we need to fulfill all of this. That's how I'm looking at it though, but it's everything can happen in these markets. But yeah,
interesting. This will be very interesting. All right. Let's leave this one. GBPUSD, we don't need to look at it because it's basically the same thing. We can take a quick look at it.
I missed my entry with 15 pips, man.
I took a sell on gbpusd today. On the live, by the way.
Oh.
Totally. The funny thing is, I was so distracted by Okan's passing. I forgot the trade, and I saw eurusd pumping. I was like, yeah, come on. And because we all were sharing for Okan, but I forgot that I had a sell on gbpusd, and it went how it went. But you know what? I was in a very small position and very small lot size also, very small stop loss also. So I barely felt it.
I fucked up on this one on Sunday or Friday.
Yeah.
I had my entries here. I had 5 entries all the way up here, and I stick to the news and everything and kept my trade. And when the clock became like 7 or 8 and market was here, I was like, no. So I closed it, and before it closed, it shoot up, so I could still hold it and have my entries here.
Oh shit!
But yeah, man.
Man, you caught a fucking sniper entry there, man.
It's this one.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
perfect. That one is actually super textbook.
Yeah. And
super clear one.
yeah, and if you go more to the left,
I just have to mark it up because it looks so nice.
it's gonna come there again. It's need to.
I think so. But the order block is fully mitigated.
Yeah, but
Holy.
that's not.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And usually you're gonna see some. This is just how should I say, accumulation, drop down, entry, same that happened on the eurusd.
Okay.
And
okay.
to the left you have a big ass change of character. Here.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Interesting. It'll be interesting the coming days because I want to see how both gbpusd and eurusd plays out.
Yeah.
It feels for me like right now. It feels for me like they can go either direction.
Yeah, they are in a sketchy place. You deleted your 4-hourly, bro. Just so you know.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck happened? The thing is with this, I forgot the only thing with Zoom is you have so many things on the screen. When you're hosting. Yeah, I deleted it. Then we do like this. We do like this. Here you have a quick training. This is how you create templates. Then you go here, save as, boom. We can take this, but we change to 4H. Boom, perfect. Save. Okay, good. Okay, that's gbpusd. Now we will go to, where is the AC?
Oh.
I call it the Lizzie trade because she's the one that asked me to look at it, and I don't know why. I just got stuck on it. So anyway, we looked at this one on Friday because Lizzie asked me to look at it and just take it from scratch. It's a very interesting situation because look at this. We've been on a downtrend since 1931. No, I'm joking, but it feels so. Like this downtrend has been forever. So basically, AUD is constantly losing power against CHF. CHF is growing stronger than the Australian dollar is. But that is on a weekly time frame, so it's a very, very big perspective. If we zoom in a little bit on the daily, we are in a super clear downtrend. But here's the thing. We have now, the market didn't manage to create a lower low here. And that is a big sign of weakness. So question now is, will market push down now here and come and test this area again to break it? Or will it push up from here? I actually think that there's a big chance that market wants to come down and test these levels again and maybe even take the liquidity, double bottom, equal lows. And if we then zoom in more, what are we on a downtrend on a 4-hourly? So we're basically just looking for confirmations, and the confirmation, we already had it. So here I marked out this trade, and actually right now we would be in profit with this trade if we would have taken it. But I don't know, man. Frederick, I'm scared. No, but seriously,
No,
it's
no, no,
like
no, no. Don't be, bro. Can you zoom out?
no, but seriously, this like I'm not used to trade AUD CHF. You understand what I mean? And now when I look at it, like everything says that this is a sell, but I cannot push the button to sell it.
I would, if you're gonna sell, stop it here. Oh, and that's or somewhere here because you need to zoom more out. This is exactly the same stop. It's exactly the same thing as eurusd. Come up, flag pattern to fulfill this order block. Came down. Need to re-enter. Boom.
Okay, so you think it's gonna fly up from there?
Yeah, because it didn't break this low, and if you take this is perfect pullback on the higher time frame, and here we have the main thing. But like the what trend line is this? What is the trend line? Is it daily or hourly or no, daily or weekly?
We are four hourly right now.
Yeah, but the trend line.
I have no idea, bro. I don't trade trend lines. I just marked it out to show the direction.
Yeah, it's an interesting position.
I think the line is on the weekly even.
Yeah.
So no,
because
daily.
We can. You know what? I'm actually also agreeing with your sell. Actually, because
you see now you like me, because I was like this on the live. I was like, it looks like it's going to sell. No, wait, but maybe it goes up, and I couldn't decide on what direction it's going to.
I think it's going to continue making higher high and higher lows.
Yeah.
No, higher lows and higher lower lows, and continue all the way down to fulfill zoom out. All the next liquidity area down here before it's continue up, because around this area is the golden zone for me on my and here is you have the see the zone.
Yeah, the demand zone. Yeah.
And usually after what we know in swing, especially after a change of character, the pullback is like it's going in these areas to continue. And the breaker structure, the pullback is not so volatile as a change of character.
The interesting thing here, if we will sell, I would definitely take profit here, because you see the nice confluence here with the 61.8 extension and the 78.6. So they align perfectly, and we got this beautiful bearish breaker block here. Not breaker block, midterm block. So
I agree. Bro, I'm agreeing with you because right there, order block, demand zone, pullback, liquidity grab, lower time frame, boom, boom. Yeah, I agree with you on sell. Actually, it haven't broke this high because it needs to break these highs if you're gonna buy. We are still in a selling market. You haven't made a new high here. And when that is on the 4 hourly, it's a good picture, because then it's weak. You already have a nice candle here. So I'm betting if you drop in down to 15 minutes now or 1 hour, you're gonna find an order block that hasn't been filled yet.
I was just gonna say, like, so then basically what we're waiting for is the entry, and we have one here. Yeah. I would wait for this one. I would set a sell limit here and wait for this. The thing is like this, I'm not super eager to get into this one, so this is why I'm like, okay, let's set a conservative sell limit here, and if it hits, okay, perfect. We are selling at discount, and we are very happy with it. But if it doesn't hit,
it's gonna hit. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
Because it's on the way I trade, this is the 0.71 and the 0.79, this area here. For me, that means it's gonna be your 88. Yeah. So
perfect.
Yeah, bro. Good trade, actually.
Yeah, man. This is
so
Lizzie's trade. Lizzie's pure.
That's beautiful market structure.
Yeah, that I gotta say also, the market structure is insanely beautiful. Like compare that to the Euro USD and GBP USD, man. This is a Picasso.
I'm gonna start trade that actually. I'm gonna take a more look at it.
I remember, like when we started, we trade a lot of AUD CAD, AUD USD, and stuff like that because AUD, for some reason, is very stable and like it's you saw here it's downtrending and there's not much like crazy fluctuation with it. So a lot of pairs paired against the AUD are very easy to trade, but still though it's like beginner friendly, but not everybody loves to trade it because it's not so volatile. There's not much happening, there's not much action, so it's more suitable for swing trade, so to say.
Yeah, what's market hour on this one?
Market hour,
yeah, when is it London and New York, both of them are open, or Australian is they are open in the morning or midnight?
Australia, I don't know actually. I don't keep track of them. I know that Asia opens at 1, and Australia, I think before that, right? 1 hour, 2 hours before that, I think. Something like that. I don't remember. All right, midnight.
I'm gonna dive more into this.
Oh, yeah. Sydney is midnight. That's correct, Richard and Liz. Thank you, guys.
That makes sense. This makes it perfect to trade the Sydney and like midnight and China. That's explaining the movement.
I can easily imagine now when Sydney opens, boom, pumps up, takes the liquidity,
and down.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna put a sell limit there actually.
Yeah, me too. I will post this chart as well on in the trade ideas channel so that you have it. I'll post the whole setup, and we'll see where we are with it tomorrow morning when I'm streaming live on London session. London session will be as usual on Discord. Hopefully not so many more there, because we are tired with the mic problems there.
Yeah, bro, this using Zoom is much better. People can interrupt, we can draw, everything is much easier to explain. If you have FOMO, Richard, use 0.2% lot size, just be in the trade to feel it. Don't worry about the profit, just be in the trade to feel how it is to sleep with the trade open, handle those emotions, and then you're gonna be more comfortable with it.
Exactly. Remember, you said it so well, man. Remember what I said also, I think it was on Friday or something, like sometimes you do moves, it's not even for the money, it's just for the psychology, and like you feel FOMO or something, and you know you're going to be pissed if trade now runs in profit and you missed it because you wanted to take it but you hesitated. Go in with a very small lot, go in with a super small lot, and just so you feel that you're in the game.
Agree 100%. And that doesn't matter how big account you are, just be in it, be in it with a comfortable position. You don't think about what happens if you lose it, just be in it and be comfortable and like it and feel good about it, and it should be good.
Yeah, and I must say something about that also, because maybe 2 years ago I would have said, no man, you have to control your FOMO, blah blah blah. Yeah, of course you have to do it, but the thing is like this: if you, let's say you like, nah man, I'm not going to take it, okay, but I want to, but okay, I'm not going to take it, and then boom, it's a monster trade, it runs in profit and everything. What will happen is next time you see an opportunity and it's low probability opportunity, you will think about this time that happened and you will FOMO in crazy and you will lose.
Yeah. AUD CAD,
all right, that's AUD CAD. No, this AUD CHF.
Oh yeah, AUD CHF. All right.
Yeah, so that's that. Gold we looked at, Euro USD GBP we looked at. Guys, that's basically it. I'm gonna take a quick one on Bitcoin, and this is what I wanted to go through. But this thing is, I'm saying it's going to drop, but this is so strong, man. It's like somebody has put nitro in its ass and just pumping it up. Where we are now. So here's the situation. All right, Never mind all the stuff up here. Only mind this pink striped line that you see in front of you right now. We're in a weekly time frame. You have a fair value gap here. Boom. Boom. Like that. This is the fair value gap, okay? We have mitigated totally the fair value gap, and we hit the weekly key level. And you see how these key levels are precise. They are good. This is why it's good to mark them out. You see how the market respects them. So what does this mean? This means actually nothing, because if market wanted to drop, I was expecting it to drop somewhere in the middle of this fair value gap here. It didn't, and that makes me think, okay, what's going on? We have broken out of the sweet spot here. So we were testing the 61.8 and we broke through it with force, with power. So here you see, market would try, we squeeze in and boom, plopped out. And that makes actually Bitcoin look very strong right now on short term, very strong. So I'm starting to consider market coming up and testing this weekly key level before we have a real drawback in the markets. But yeah, that's basically it. It's we're in a situation where BTC is strong, and what makes it look even stronger is fundamentals. It's everybody, like you see even like news outlets start talking about BTC, and normally when you see that sends red flags for me and like experienced crypto traders. I don't even think it's only for crypto, it's for everything. But when you see mass media talking about it, that's when you know you're close to the top, and when they start hyping it, because it's basically doing it, how can I say, incentivized by big entities, powerful people that want to push it up. And right now we got BlackRock in the game, one of the most powerful institutions in the world. So they are in the game, so they can pull a string or two in this here, and they are hyping this up now with their ETF that might come very soon. But here's the thing, and everybody's buying now because they're expecting this ETF to come, and they think price is going to fly. I think that we are going to have buy the rumors, sell the news situations here. So I think that this price might pump a little bit more. ETF drops, poof, price drops. I've seen this happen before, and it catches everybody off guard, and everybody gets liquidated. And this is exactly what they want. They love to liquidate people, because they basically robbing you of your money. They grabbing your liquidity. They take all your stop losses. So that's what I'm seeing here, but it's all speculation. So what can we say? I'm just sharing my thoughts here, and we'll see what happens. This is recorded, so if I'm right, then I will find this recording again and find it in the announcements. Anyways, or on my YouTube channel. But anyway, so that's it. So I'm expecting maybe we'll have a little pullback and come and test the 61.8 again, and then I think we will break through the key level here, the weekly key level, and come and test this weekly key level confluent with the 71.6. Once we're there in this supply area, I think we're dropping, because there's a lot of supply here. Yep. Frederick, anything you want to add? Oh, sorry.
I think Bitcoin is gonna go, at least it's got a long way to go before it's gonna reach all-time high.
Yeah, but it got a long way to go. But bro, it's creeping up. We were at half the price, not even half the price. What is it? A year ago. So in a year, it has gone up more than, what can this be? 130% something? Wait, let's look at it. From here, boom. Up here, it's 141%.
I have some fun things about Bitcoin actually if we go on the monthly perspective. And this is interesting. All right. Please pull the fib from this high to this low, and I'm gonna mark up in the meantime. Here you go.
Oh, this is also perfectly confluent with the you see the key level and everything here that I spoke on.
So we have double top with the retest on the 50%.
Hey, bro, listen. This is exactly what I see. You like you drew out what I'm trying to explain.
Yeah.
This top here is ETF news coming out. ETF is dropping, coming. Boom. Everybody's hopping in. It will pump a little bit more, and then woof. It will
And also
super
what's
drop.
funny, here is the new lower high.
Yeah, actually. Interesting, man. Very interesting. I like this one. You know what? Can you wait? I will mark it out and I will print screen this one and save it so that we can say to everybody, look, haha, we were right. We are so fucking smart. Yeah, exactly.
No. Here.
Huh? Ah, you okay? No, let's do it like this. Boom, boom.
And here we have our older block also, by the way.
Yeah. Okay, I don't think it's gonna come down here.
No.
But if it comes down here, oh shit.
I think it's gonna take out this one, to be honest.
Yeah, and what have I been saying all the time?
10,000.
11,000, 12,000, exactly. I'm gonna show you guys why I have said it. I'm just gonna change color in this one first so that we can see it more clearly. Let's see, green maybe, huh?
Take yellow. We have like yellow candlesticks.
Yeah, and this is why I want to have yellow because it melts in with the candlesticks. But okay, so we have this. And look, if we take it from the opposite side, we take it from this bottom, boom, we take it to the all-time high. What do we have?
Retest on the 70, yeah.
Yeah, here. So this is the zone I've been talking about all the time, and we'll see. This will be very interesting because I've said this for over a year now that it's going to drop down here.
Yeah, because this order block is not milligated.
No, it's not. Nope.
And the same with this one.
No. Yeah, exactly. This can be beautiful. This can be a super swing trade. Make sure you have brokers that allow you to have whole trades over the weekend. This is trades that I would I would use a crypto exchange and put a futures trade on it.
Yeah.
With maybe like 2x leverage, 4x leverage, something like that, but nothing crazy. It's better because you trade your MetaTrader every day, and if it's not good to look at your swing trades every day. You get psychologically fucked. You start second guessing everything and overthinking everything. So when I was before in the bull market, when I was trading crypto, I never, even if I'm only trading contracts because I wanted to speculate and profit on it. I was always using the crypto exchange. So I was using Qcoin or Bybit, my favorite exchanges. And yeah, that's better.
Do me one more favor. Pull the fib from there to there, just to be safe. Yeah, that good. Okay.
Look, more confluence.
Yeah.
Beautiful. No, oh no, sorry. This is the fib that we had up before I deleted it and I took this one. All right, cool. Yeah, but it's good, man. We have beautiful confluence. So look at this. I'm gonna pull all of these fibs up. You see the cluster here in this area, and then you have, wait, let's do like this also. Boom, from the whole swing. Even more. Yeah. All right. That's all I had for today.
That's more than enough. It's a pipife from you now.
Yeah.
You took my job.
I can never do that, man. But yeah, guys. We're signing out like that. I'll see you guys in the morning London session.